Hi, I'm Eric with LUX Landscape Lighting. We service all brands of lighting. The only ones that we don't service is from the big box stores. And the reason that we don't do that is because it's not worth the time and energy that it would take to fix something that's not worth your investment. Why settle on something that you need to fix constantly, and you should just save money and invest in something that you could have a hassle-free lighting system. And we could do that for you. We use FX fixtures. There's Hadco out there, Kichler, Alliance, Haven, Sollos. I mean, there's all brands, and I've seen them work all good except the big box store brands. So do yourself a favor, save money and the hassle, and invest in a great lighting system. Call today, and I'll see you soon.